So I hope question number B is clear. If you want to find or calculate the gear ratio of a compound gear train, first we will find the simple gear trains inside, like take the first gear, just look at which is touching each other and keep it as one gear train AB. Take the next gear, just look at which is touching each other and keep it as the second simple gear train. Find their gear ratio by dividing output teeth by input teeth. The one on the teeth of the gear on the right side over the teeth of the gear on the left side. Then multiply both simple gear trains, you will get the final compound gear trains ratio. Question C. What will happen to the output speed justified? Just look at the gear teeth of the input and output. Here, gear A has 16 teeth. Gear D has 42 teeth. Which one is larger? Of course, the gear D is the bigger one, right? So it will move slower. So the output speed will be reduced than the input speed because it's bigger gear, since the output gear is larger compared to the input gear. Question number D. Label the gears from A, B, C, D with curved arrows, which means you have to label the direction of each gear, and it's given gear A is turning in clockwise. As I told you, you can expect this question anywhere. So the first one is given clockwise. So of course the next touching will be opposite, anti-clockwise. And most of the girls, they will confuse here in this part, since it has two gears in one shaft. Use your brain. If you have one shaft and two gears in the same shaft, of course they will move in the same direction. So whatever you are putting here for the gear B, the gear C will follow the same direction. So gear B is following in anti-clockwise direction. Of course, the gear C will move in anti-clockwise. And which is the touching gear? Gear D. It will be opposite, so clockwise. So now you will mark it with this one, and you can see that if you are moving gear A in clockwise, your gear D will be in the same direction. So this is all about the priority number 2 question. So please concentrate on this priority. Inshallah, you will get full marks in this type of question.